Hi, my name is Sam from Hobart Nissan, and today I'm here with our lovely Nissan JUKE ST. This car is packed full of features, safety tech, and a lot more. So allow me to run you through our MY21 Nissan JUKE ST. The Nissan JUKE really does stand out from the crowd with its new, bold styling features and compact coupe look. You get integrated LED indicator lights on the mirrors, some great 17-inch alloy wheels as standard, some bold LED lights and huge fog lights to continue the JUKE styling, and even Nissan's V-Motion chrome grille to allow it to sit great in the Nissan range. On the rear, you also notice some styling features including LED tail lights, a spoiler, and the overall coupe look design. When you open the boot, you unleash 422 litres of storage with the option to fold down your rear seats to give you 1300 litres of storage. All JUKEs have 3 top tether points in the rear and ISOFIX points in the rear seats to mount baby seats. As you can see, the rear passengers will be comfortable, but the driver and passenger don't miss out with some great bucket seats with that sporty feeling and a very luxurious and driver-focused interior with new D-shaped steering wheel and even an 8-inch touchscreen to allow you to connect your audio, and when put in reverse will display a reverse camera for easy parking. You can plug your phone into the media point to activate Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to allow you to scroll through contacts, play music or view Google Maps on the 8-inch touchscreen. All new JUKE hosts a bunch of steering wheel controls which you can also use to manage your advanced drive assist display in between your 2 dials. You can display a compass, safety shield, or my favourite, a digital speedo. All new JUKE is built with safety in mind, with safety features like lane departure warning and even forward collision alert warning. With intelligent emergency braking, the car will keep you safe to try and prevent any crashes. The JUKE is powered by a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged engine that gives you great fuel economy of 5.8 litres per 100 kilometres, so it keeps fuel emissions down but still gives you that punch of power that you need. And there we have it, our Nissan JUKE ST. If you'd like to inquire on one of these vehicles, be sure to give us a call on 62135460 or come down to Hobart Nissan to find out why more people choose to buy their Nissan from Hobart Nissan.